Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon. The honorable judges and the viewers. My name is Haysha Putrie, and I'm from SMA Negeri I Tenggarong. I'm here to speak about Bahasa Indonesia, the language that unites us all. Ladies and gentlemen, Bahasa Indonesia is the national language of Indonesia. Bahasa Indonesia is not just a tool for communication in Indonesia, but it is a symbol of our unity. Since the Youth Pledge in 1928, we have voted to uphold Bahasa Indonesia as a vital part of our national identity. Bahasa Indonesia unites more than 270 millions of Indonesians, transcending ethnic and cultural differences. However, it is increasingly globalized that Bahasa Indonesia faces many challenges. The influence of the foreign languages, especially English, is nowadays spreading and spoken all over the world. While learning other languages is also a must, we should not let our national language just being fade away. This is how we are as the young generation of Indonesia play a crucial role. Yes, play a crucial role. In simple ways, we can start using Bahasa Indonesia in our daily conversation. Whether with friends, family, or online, let's replace some English words such as download with unduh and software with perangkat lunak. And by speaking Bahasa Indonesia, we show the world that our language continues to unite Indonesians. Moreover, our language is dynamic. As young generation, we can innovate and enrich it with new words and expressions that fit with our modern life. We can create new terms for technology, science, and culture that resonate with the young generation. I recall introducing Bahasa Indonesia to my friends from abroad. They were mesmerized by the beauty of our language. And it made me proud of where I come from. It reminds me if others can appreciate our language, so why can't we value it even more? Let us embrace the spirit of the Youth Pledge, which reminds us that we are one language and one nation. Ladies and gentlemen, now is the time for us to act. Let's be proud of our language. Let's use it, celebrate it, and ensure that it continues to thrive. Our mission is to keep Bahasa Indonesia becomes alive and relevant for the next generation. In other hand, we can ensure that Bahasa Indonesia remains a symbol of our unity and identity. In a global context, Bahasa Indonesia has the potential to bring people from different backgrounds together, reflecting the rich diversity of Indonesia. In closing, let us take proud of our language. Our mission is to keep Bahasa Indonesia becomes alive, vibrant, and relevant for the next future generation. I think that's all from me today. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.